Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in drops for fun vocabulary learning. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by identifying a drops vocabulary learning platform that suits your needs. Visit the website or download the app for the drops tool you have chosen. Create an account by entering your email address and choosing a password. Once logged in, select your preferred language for vocabulary learning. Explore the categories of vocabulary available to find the topics that interest you most. Choose a category, such as food, travel, or everyday phrases. Begin your learning by selecting vocabulary sets or specific words within that category. Observe the unique visual and auditory presentation of each word. Engage with the interactive features like matching games or flashcards. Set a daily reminder to practice, ensuring consistency in your learning. Track your progress through the app's performance metrics. Revisit previous vocabulary sets to reinforce memory retention. Utilize the app's pronunciation tools to improve your speaking skills. Consider sharing your progress with friends or language learning communities for motivation. Experiment with different categories to keep your learning experience fresh. Gradually increase the amount of time you dedicate to drops each day. Remember to enjoy the process and celebrate small victories along the way. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.